In this quick video, learn how to show and hide your comments here in Google Sheets. You would know if you have comments on your spreadsheet if you go to your tab here at the bottom and see if there are numbers like this one right here. So at the moment, we have 3 comments on this spreadsheet. We have one here in B2, in E11, and in F21. So those are our comments for this spreadsheet. If you want to see all of your comments, you can go to See All right here. Click on that, and here we have it. Another way to see all of your comments would be to go to this part right here, where it will say Show All Comments. Click on it, and it will show you the same thing. But what if you want to hide your comments? What you're going to do is to go to View right here in the menu bar. Click on that and select Comments right here. Now we have our options on the right side. We have Hide Comments, Minimize Comments, and Show All Comments. If we go to Hide Comments right here and click on it, it will say Comments are hidden. So if we just zoom out a little, here we have it. We don't see any of those yellow triangles on each of those corners of each cell. So we've completely hidden our comments. We don't even see the numbers right before our sheet name right here. And if you notice our comments icon right here, it has a slash in it, meaning our comments are now hidden. But if we click on it, it quickly shows our comments again on this panel right here. And there you have it. So again, to hide your comments, just go to View in the menu bar, select Comments, and select Hide Comments. And you can definitely use these keyboard shortcuts right here, but for me, they're quite long, so I'm sticking with the mouse pointer and just click away in hiding and minimizing my comments right here. So that's how you can show and hide your comments here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.